Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shimi Kang, and thank you for joining me on my channel Mental Wealth, where you will learn how to heal, optimize, and protect your most powerful asset, your human brain. Today we're going to talk about visualization. This is a really interesting topic. It's becoming really popular in the sports world. People are talking about visualizing in motivational world, in goal setting. But is it true that it can actually work if you visualize something? And if so, how exactly does that work? So here's the science of visualization. Our human brain has an area, if I flip it around here, called the reticular activating system. It's down in this part of the brain. That system is a bit like a honing beacon. It goes and it searches our environment for important information, and it disregards irrelevant information, and it focuses like a laser on information that is important to our well-being and survival. So the act of visualization, having an imagery of a goal that you want, perhaps it's a fitness goal or a career goal or a personal growth goal to be more kind or patient. What it does is it literally inserts a slide into that part of our brain, like inserting an image. It's giving our brains information in terms of what to look for, what to scan the environment for, and what we feel is important to us. For example, I have two teenage boys who love basketball, and they've heard about visualization. In particular, there's a study on visualization and the three-point shot. When athletes visualize making a three-point shot, what they're doing is they're putting a slide, literally an image of that shot, the arc, the stance, the body movement, all of the aspects that would go into executing that three-point shot, and they're inserting that slide into that reticular activating system. That then allows the entire brain to start scanning the environment for information on how to make that shot. So for example, when my sons visualize a three-point shot and then they're watching a basketball game, or they're watching their friends play, or they're playing themselves, the brain is going to pick up information that supports that goal, that image, that visualization of the three-point shot. What's really interesting about the science is that the study proves that, in fact, visualization is very powerful, actually. One of the famous studies done in basketball actually shows that individuals who visualize the three-point shot did better than individuals who didn't visualize the three-point shot. Of course, those who visualized and practiced did the best, but it shows the power of actually initially creating those pathways, sending the information, the signals to your brain, what is important to you, what is your goal, and then allowing your brain to take in that feedback from the environment and to move towards that goal. So practically in your life, you can use these techniques for many different things. You can use it to visualize an important goal in your life, whether it's personal or professional. You can use it for your health. I personally spend a lot of time visualizing. I have a genetic disorder. It's called Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. And my body doesn't make a certain type of collagen, which actually leads to my joints being really loose and hypermobile. It leads to chronic pain. So I spend a lot of time visualizing my joints being stronger and my body healing and feeling better, because what I'm doing there is I'm sending the signal, I'm giving the information to my nervous system, to my intelligence system, of what I want to achieve. And that helps me make choices throughout my day, whether it's food choices or exercise choices, or even how I sit in my posture. So visualization can be a really powerful tool for our health goals, our personal goals, our professional goals, our fitness goals, and there's some really cool science behind it. So before I give you your prescription for today, I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. How do you visualize? What do you do? How has it worked for you? I'd love to hear from you. So would our global community. So please leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Your prescription for today is to practice visualization. Bring in the imagery, close your eyes, and just imagine where you want to be. Imagine those goals, maybe those small goals, those big goals. Give your nervous system, give your brain the image it needs so that it can make sense of all of the information it is constantly being exposed to. It can start to separate the nonsense information from the important information. It can hone in like a laser on those important goals and images that you want to achieve. That is the power of visualization.